Hey future bowlers, I'm Cheryl Jenkins, a member of the bowling team at Grayslake North, and I'm here just to share with you guys a little bit about our bowling family. I'll start off by introducing myself. So as you now know, my name is Cheryl and I'm a junior at Grayslake North. I've been on the bowling team since I was a freshman, and it was by far one of the best choices that I made during high school. I also play tennis and am a part of multiple clubs. I absolutely love my bowling girls and everything that we do together. The coaches of our lovely team are Coach Berterman, also known as Coach B, Coach Kogar, also known as Teddy Bear, and Coach Vandermeulen, also known as Coach V. To be on the bowling team, you need a couple things. 1, a willingness to improve. 2, a general positive attitude. And 3, the ability to just have fun. We practice at Lakes Bowl, and at a typical practice, we'll stretch with the whole team and then move off into our JV and varsity teams. Although both teams typically practice separately, we are one big family. We spend some time going through our motions just to make sure that we are becoming the best bowlers that we can possibly be. On fun days, we'll play full bowling games or do crazy challenges just to remember why we bowl in the first place. Because we love it. Our games and tournaments can get kind of crazy, but that's what makes them so enjoyable. As resident speaker bringer, I can tell you that the bus rides to away games are absolutely crazy. One thing that many people don't know about girls bowling is that there are about 10 to 15 cheers that the majority of the team has memorized. So at games and tournaments, the bowling alley is crazy loud because all the different teams are saying cheers. There's cheers for strikes, spares, splits, and even gutter balls. Lastly, I just want to touch on equipment. A lot of people may get scared hearing that people on the bowling team have their own balls and equipment. Please don't be. There is no rush when getting your ball, and the school is very understanding to different financial situations. Typically, each girl by mid-season their first year will have one ball and a pair of bowling shoes. But again, the school can help you with any financial plan if needed. I personally have a 15-pound ball, another 15-pound ball, and a 14-pound ball. I absolutely love them, and you can talk to Coach B because there is no reason that the school can't help you get whatever you may need. So that's all about us. I really hope that you guys can join us sometime next year, and we are super welcoming and would love to meet all of you lovely future bowlers. Bye guys!